Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In the previous class, we discussed what is total income, how to do total income of a person, of a company, we discussed in the previous class. But in this class, we are going to discuss some practical problems. So we need to brief what is total income. Already we discussed in the previous class. You observed this one. Income tax is levied on an SSC, total income. So here, from the different sources, he is going to earn the income. From all the sources, we are going to consider as a total income. So while we are doing the total income, the procedure for computation of income tax will be done by applying the following points. The points are given here. First of all, we need to determine the residential status of a person here. Okay, the residential status of a person has to be determined to ascertain which income is to be included while computing the total income. Okay, these are the already we discussed in the previous class. Okay, once again we are going to discuss today. The residential status of a person has to be determined to ascertain which income is to be included while computing the total income. In case of an individual, the number of days of his stay in India during the relevant previous year or the earlier previous year will be considered for determining the his or her residential status. And here, an individual Hindu and Indian family, either a resident or ordinary resident but not ordinary resident. The next one is non-resident. Okay, an Indian company is a resident in India. The next one here, you observe carefully the fifth point here. A company not being an Indian company but having its place of effective control and management in India in a particular year would be a resident in India for that year. Next one here, for every other assessee is a place where the control and management of its affair are situated during the relevant previous year. That is whether in India or outside India. The control and management is the most important factor here. Based on the control and management only, we are going to decide whether it is a resident or not. The income is belongs to resident or not. The next over here, computation of income under different heads here. Okay, generally while we are doing the computation of a total income, these five heads are considered. They are here: income from salary, income from house property, income from business or profession, income from capital gains, then income from other sources. Then here, while we are doing a problem, you have to write in this way: computation of total income of X for the assessment year 2021. Suppose you are computing a person name, computation of a total income of Mr. Y. Okay. In this way, we are going to write. This is the most important heading. Then you observe the heads here. Serial numbers are given 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Income heads are there. The amount is given. Income from salary comes under 15 to 17 sections, and deductions also allowed in the salary. While we are doing it, the individual heads at that time these deductions are there. In the next class we are going to discuss the individual heads, but today we are going to discuss only a few example problems as well as just a pro forma of a total income only here. Then next second one, income from house property under section 22 to 27, and deductions also allowed, that is under section 24. And what deductions are comes, we are going to discuss in the next class. Then next one, third one, income from business or profession under section 28 to 44D, and deductions also allowed in this cell number 3, that is income from business or profession. The next over here, the fourth one, income from capital gains. The next fifth one, income from other sources. After getting all these individual amount, we are going to calculate at the end the amount, we call it as gross total income. Gross total income. The next one here, any deductions in sense, deductions under section 80C to 80U. Okay, like LIC you paid that exempted amount, school fees is there exempted amount. Okay, and the separate class will be there for deductions under section 80C to 80U. Okay, The next one, this amount will be done minus, then the total amount we call it as net taxable income. This is a net taxable income, and based on the income here, based on the income only, we are going to apply all the possible exemptions, or like a rebate also we are going to apply according to the amount which he earned in a year. Okay, I have taken one small example. This example we discussed in the previous class, but we done a small mistake. We are going to clarify that mistake also here. I have taken one small example. After computation, you got a net taxable income, that is rupees 10 lakhs. We will apply the slabs for the assessment year 2021 as under. Okay, income slabs are there, income is there, tax is there, net taxable income is there here, that is 10 lakhs. 0 to 2 lakhs 50,000. Your income is 2 lakhs 50,000, but here tax is nil and net taxable income is nil only. Then 2 lakhs 50,000 to 5 lakhs, that is 2 lakhs 50,000. On these 2 lakhs 50,000, you have to do 5 percentage, that is 12,500 you got. Then 5 lakhs to 10 lakhs, that is a 5 lakhs income. Okay, then 20 percentage, that is 1 lakh rupees. Then 10 lakhs are above, income is nil here, and the tax also nil, net taxable income also nil. And finally the tax amount is 1,12,500. For this 1,12,500, we are going to add a surcharge also, then education cess also. So we done in the previous class, this is a small mistake we done. Just we written here education, instead of education cess 4%, we written surcharge 4%. Okay, just this is I am reminding you once again, and here few notes also given. Note number 1, when we are going to apply the surcharge, this note is meant for only surcharge only. You observe carefully here. If the total income is 50 lakhs, then only surcharge is applied to 10 percentage. Then if the total income is 1 crore, then only surcharge is applied to 15 percentage. This is note number 2. Then note number 3 says here, surcharge is 25 percentage for the income earned between 2 to 5 crores and 37 percentage for income beyond rupees 5 crores, income earned by super rich people. Okay, beyond 5 crores means here 37 percentage surcharge will be added. Okay, so this is a very important note. Note number 1, 2, 3. Then only we are going to apply this surcharge. Okay, in this given problem, our total income is 10 lakhs only, so we are not going to apply surcharge. Then finally we got amount is here 1,12,500. Then in addition to this amount, we are going to add surcharge. Okay, these are the conditions, these are the note we have given. We are not fulfilled this note, then here simply go for the next step, that is education cess 4% on tax amount, that is 4,500. The net tax amount here is 1,17,000 we need to pay to the government. Okay, according to this is a pro forma we need to follow carefully. Based on this pro forma, we have done few problems also. You can observe here. Those who are not subscribed till now, please subscribe to my channel and observe carefully till end. You will get clarity regarding your problem also. We have taken a small example problem. Here 5 problems are there. You observe carefully, then you will get some clarity. And calculate the tax liability of the following persons here. The problem says that calculate the tax liability of the following persons. Serial number is there, name of the person, age, total income per year. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 persons are there here. Mr. Nandu, Mr. Rajesh, Mr. Bhushan, Mr. Rahul, Mr. Lakshman. Okay, their age also there, 62 years, 60 years, 70 years, 45 years, 81 years. And here total income of Nandu is here 8 lakhs, Mr. Rajesh 9 lakhs, Mr. Bhushan 4 lakhs, Mr. Rahul 12 lakhs, Mr. Lakshman 11 lakhs. Okay, these are the 5 person. their age is given and total income they earned in the year also given. According to this, okay, we have to calculate how much the tax amount they need to pay for the government. We have to discuss, we'll get clarity. Okay, see here the first problem solution for the first one, calculation of tax liability of Mr. Nandu for the assessment year 2021. Okay, total income is 8 lakhs and his age is 62 years. 62 years means here you go for the previous class in the I think the class number 2 or 4, I think so. You observe in our channel that is here he is a senior citizen comes under category 2. We divided category wise also, who are the junior citizens, who are the senior citizens and super senior citizens, and based on these categories different slab rates are there. According to that slab rate only we have to apply here. Here in this given problem, Nandu, his total income is 8 lakhs and his age is 62 years. Then he comes under senior citizen, the category 2. The tax rate is here 0 to 3 lakhs, that is below to 3 lakhs. Amount is nil, percentage also nil here. 3 lakhs to 5 lakhs, that is 5% we need to deduct, that is 3 lakhs to 5 lakhs, 2 lakhs will be there. 2 lakhs into 5% by 100, that is 10,000 rupees will be there. 5 for the 5%. The next over here 5 lakhs to 10 lakhs, that is 20%. The amount is 3 lakhs. On 3 lakhs we need to deduct a 20% amount, that is 60,000. Okay, above 10 lakhs, above 10 lakhs is here 30%, but his total income is 8 lakhs only. We need to do till 8 lakhs only. You observe carefully in the previous step also, here 5 lakhs to 10 lakhs. 5 lakhs to 10 lakhs means here the amount should be 5 lakhs. Okay, but our total income is 8,000 only, so we are writing 3 lakhs only. On these 3 lakhs we need to do 20% amount, the amount should be taxable. The next you do the total. The first one is 10,000. On 2 lakhs they got 5%, that is 10,000. On 3 lakhs 20%, that is 60,000. The total tax amount is 70,000 rupees. According to our pro forma, we need to add surcharge as well as education cess. Here surcharge we need to add, how much percentage we need to add, that is the most important. So we are given a small note also. Based on this note, if we fulfill these note 1 and note 2, these conditions, then only the surcharge is applied here. Note number 1, if the total income is 50 lakhs, then only surcharge is applied to 10%. Okay, what is our total income here? 8 lakhs. If 50 lakhs only, then surcharge is applied, but as a procedure we have to write add surcharge only here. Then second one here, if the total income is 1 crore, then only surcharge is applied to 15%. So these two conditions are we are not fulfilled in this problem, so surcharge is nil here. Then add education cess 4% on tax amount. What is the tax amount? 70,000 is the tax amount. Then we need to add 4%, that is 2,800 rupees. And finally this 70,000 as well as 2,800 we are going to add here. Then final total amount is 72,800 rupees. This is a tax liability amount we should pay for the government for the welfare of the common man. This is the first problem. In the first problem we focused here the total income number 1. Age criteria is important here, whether he comes under category 1, category 2 or category 3. Okay, based on the categories, the rates of tax, the slabs also changes. Then second problem here, Mr. Rajesh, whose age is 60 years and the total income is 9 lakhs here. Okay, this is a problem. Calculation of tax liability of Mr. Rajesh for the assessment year 2021. The total income of Mr. Rajesh is 9 lakhs and his age is 60 years. 60 years means here he is a junior citizen, comes under category 1. Okay, he is a junior citizen, comes under category 1. A rate of tax 0 to 2,50,000, that is a nil. Okay, no need to calculate. And 2,50,000 to 5 lakhs, that is 5%. 2,50,000. Okay, in between this amount, 5 lakhs minus 2,50,000, the remainder amount is 2,50,000. 2,50,000 into 5%, that is we are going to get we got 12,500. Then 5 lakhs to 10 lakhs, 20%. What is the total income here? 9 lakhs is the total income. But our according to rate of tax here, 5 lakhs to 10 lakhs, that is 20%. The amount is 4 lakhs only here. 4 lakhs, on 4 lakhs we need to get 20%, that is 80,000 rupees is there. We return only 4 lakhs. Okay, based on the total income, this total income is 9 lakhs. So here what happened, we deducted here, we have taken only 4 lakhs. 5 lakhs to 10 lakhs, the amount is here only 4 lakhs, so we have taken 4 lakhs only. Above 10 lakhs, 30%, that is amount is nil. He is not crossed, Mr. Raj is not crossed his total income above 10 lakhs. Then tax amount is here 92,500. Again we need to add surcharge as well as education cess also. So I think you understood these condition, note 1 and note 2 in the previous problem. So we are not going to apply here surcharge percentage amount, but as a procedure we need to write add surcharge. Then simply we have to write in the amount column nil. Then add education cess 4% on tax amount, that is 92,500 into 4 by 100, 3,700 we got. And finally you need to add 3,700 plus 92,500. The tax liability amount is 96,200. Okay, I think you got a good clarity regarding this problem. He is a junior citizen and his total income is 9 lakhs here. According to the problem only we are doing, we need to add some additional conditions also, but based on the problem we are doing this one. Then next problem here, problem number 3, calculation of tax liability of Mr. Bhushan for the assessment year 2021. Okay, total income of the Bhushan is 4 lakhs and his age is 70 years. He is a senior citizen, comes under category 2 only. The first problem and this problem have as usual same problems here. Okay, below or to 3 lakhs, 0 to 3 lakhs, that is nil and nil here. 3 lakhs to 5 lakhs, that is 5%. Here Bhushan total income is 4 lakhs only. So we need to consider here 2 lakhs. 2 lakhs into 5%, okay, that is 10,000 only. Okay, his total income is 4 lakhs only, so no need to do for the 20% and 30%. Then tax amount is 10,000 only. Add surcharge and nil is. Then education cess here 4% on tax amount, 10,000 into 4 by 100, that is 400. Then final the tax liability amount is 10,400 should be paid by the Bhushan because he is a senior citizen. Okay, according to this problem only we are doing the solution. You observe carefully. Okay, in the previous classes, if there is any conditions or new things are there, then I will highlight you. Then you will get clarity. Then next you observe fourth problem here. Calculation of tax liability of Mr. Rahul for the assessment year 2021. Total income is 12 lakhs here and his age is 45 years. He is a junior citizen, comes under category 1. 2 lakh up to 2,50,000, that is nil here. 2,50,000 to 5 lakhs, that is 5%. Okay, 2,50,000 into 5 by 100, that is 12,500. And 5 lakhs to 10 lakhs. Okay, 5 lakhs to 10 lakhs means here, that is 5 lakhs. On these 5 lakhs amount, 20% will be deducted here, that is 10,000. Above 10 lakhs, above 10 lakhs means up to 12 lakhs here, about 10 lakhs means here 10 lakhs to 12 lakhs, that is to a 2 lakhs only. On 2 lakhs 30% should be deducted, that is 60,000. Then final the tax amount is here 1,72,500. Then add surcharge. I think you got this surcharge condition also, so it is nil here. Education says on sale 1,72,500, we are going to add education cess, that is 6,900, and tax liability amount is 1,79,400. Okay, in this case the total income is increased. Okay, and he's a junior citizen. Based on his age is below 60 years. That's why we are taking as a junior citizen category, that is category 1. The last problem here, solution for the last problem here, calculation of tax liability of Mr. Bhushan. Okay, Mr. Bhushan, the fifth one is here, is not Bhushan, he is a Lakshman here. Okay, he is a Lakshman. Tax calculation of tax liability of Mr. Lakshman for the assessment year 2021. Okay, here observe carefully. Total income is 11 lakhs and his age is 81 years. 81 years means here he is a super senior citizen, comes under category 3. Rate of tax is there, percentage is there, and amount is there. Okay, according to the categories, according to age criteria, the slab rates will going to change. Below up to 5 lakhs, that is nil and nil. 5 lakhs to 10 lakhs 20%, 10 lakhs or above 30%, we need to deduct from his income. So you observe carefully, 5 lakhs to 10 lakhs, that is 5 lakhs into 20 by 100, that is 1 lakh rupees. Then above 10 lakhs means here his total income is 11 lakhs. So we need to consider only 1 lakh. On 1 lakh, you need to deduct the 30%, that is 30,000. So tax amount is 1,30,000 rupees. Then we need to add surcharge. Okay, we are not fulfilled the conditions, the note number 1 and 2 and 3 here. So surcharge is nil only. The next one, add education says 4% on tax amount. 1,30,000 into 4 by 100, that is 5 lakhs. Sorry, not 5 lakhs, 5,200. Then tax liability amount is here 1,30,000 plus 5,200, that is 1,35,200. Okay, in this way you are going to do the problem and we are going to solve the problem. Okay, I think you understood. First of all, you observe carefully this one, computation of total income of XX for the assessment year. Okay, these individual heads we are going to do in the next class. For your understanding purpose, I frame these problems. I think you understood the problems. So these are the 5 problems. So Mr. Nandu, Rajesh, Bhushan, Rahul, Lakshman. This is the age criteria. Based on our age criteria, we need to observe. Then next, total income. According to this, we are going to calculate the problem. So I think you understood the problem. So thank you viewers for watching my video.